There are many things coming out of this project. In order to balance productivity and think about soil as an environmental resource, we want to understand it very holistically. We want to cover biological as well as physicochemical indicators. That's critical for thinking about all the functions of soil together. At the moment, testing for those things traditionally is very expensive, it's very time consuming, it's not particularly well standardized. So you don't get an answer usually before you need one as a farmer. You need one quite quickly. And it's quite hard to compare the answer you get with, say, a value you might expect elsewhere. Now, the toolkit is very useful because it's going to recommend potentially quicker, more in-field, more accessible, cheaper ways of measuring these things. And we're looking at a number of products, for example, around soil nutrient availability, around aggregate stability, and around microbial communities to see whether these very quick methods can represent what we know from traditional methods. Now, if that works, what that would enable farmers to do is to have much quicker, much more holistic understanding of particularly these biological properties which mediate a lot of the physicochemical functions of soil that we understand more naturally. And then if those do become available to farmers, the app serves to supplement that by providing a sort of spatial context for those indicator values, thinking a better idea of local benchmarks. It provides an area where data can be securely stored, hopefully, and with that, potentially the introduction of AI decision support tools to provide advice based on values that farmers might be able to access through these new methods.